like the love that we once had. Our love has no borderlines, it spreads so wide across the sky.